I don't know if this is gonna come out good or not. We have no idea. So guys, first of all, let me do the introduction.
First of all, this bitch was asleep in the car. To and from. She just woke up talking about, hey guys.
Wendy's a real MVP, so it's this wig that's on period, okay? Anyways, what's up? It's Moody. And I'm coming back to you guys with another video. This is gonna be a seafood boil mukbang. Obviously, this is super popular, but let me tell you one thing. One thing first and two things for sure. I've been eating seafood. I've been eating crab since a baby. Like, I feel like my first finger food was a blue crab. And we've never done a crab boil actually together. And we went to, what's this place called?
Cook and Reel.
Cook and Reel in Miami.
All we got is crab, corn, and potatoes. Paid $60 for crab, corn, and potatoes, and some whack-ass Cajun fries.
I don't know why she just didn't go to a ghetto-ass crab house. She wanted to go to a real
Ain't no ghetto-ass crab house.
It's not Jacksonville, that's why. Jacksonville, if you're from Jacksonville, if you're from Duval County, you know every corner got a crab house. You can get a garlic crab tray for $20. Not even.
Well, bitch,
everything.
You're not in Jack.
I know. Oh.
You in the 305.
So I usually don't do the gloves. I just like to get in with my hands, but I'm gonna use gloves now just because like I have nails. So
I'm gonna just leave her. I'm gonna let her catch up.
Oh no. Not cracking and conking.
All my teeth about to fall out.
What are you gonna eat at?
But it's okay though.
Bro, I cannot get this glove open.
I can't help you, sis. I'm busy.
Yeah.
Can we talk about this trip, bitch? Let's talk about this trip.
Wait a minute.
Get them gloves on so we can talk about this trip.
Right.
And so we can get ready and go out.
Ooh, and we're going out tonight smelling like seafood. So I sure ain't gonna take a shower. Raise your
dirty
hand.
hoes.
Raise your hand if you take a shower at night, and that's on period.
Don't listen to this.
If you're a morning shower person, step to the left. Step to the left.
This girl loves to talk about taking showers at night. Lo and behold,
I take my shower. I cannot go in the bed.
the night of my sister's wedding, she was in the bed,
That's
laid
count.
up.
Count.
It's such a light.
I can't open these gloves. Gloves don't get dirty. Anyways, so if you're a night shower person, you know the deal. You come home, you can't sleep because you're grimy and dirty.
She was knocked out.
You take a shower and you lay down. You wake up the next morning, you brush your teeth, wash your face, and you're good to go. Morning shower people, what y'all do? Go to bed,
I can't even
dirty with the oil and blood and sweat on your body.
I can't even talk to you.
And then y'all get up and y'all get up and take y'all shower in the morning. Cap. I can't go in my bed dirty. Raise your hand if you on a late night cruise. Ooh, mine's got the scallops, sis.
You got the fucking scallops?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try the scallops.
Oh, they're not seasoned. They're not seasoned now. I don't know why you pick this crab place. I have so many better crab places.
In Miami?
Okay. No, they ain't putting garlic, bro. In Jacksonville, everybody knows in Jacksonville the crab is covered in garlic when they put garlic butter. Covered. This is so weak. I might have to add some salt and pepper. We just came off Coco. I don't know who we think we are, but we've really been doing it up for this trip. No doubt.
Ooh,
Which I don't mind because I don't get to do this often, and like this is so nice. Everything has been so worth it.
So it's my sister's wedding weekend. And of course I gotta invite my bitch. So that's the real reason why she's here.
Alright.
And we've just been doing it up, living it up. She goes back tomorrow. I go back to work tomorrow. So this is our literally like the last hoorah.
Yeah. But most people start with the legs, which is cool. Snow crab is cool, but if you know how to bust down a blue crab, if you a bust down blue bitch, You already know.
But they're
Ain't
so
nothing like
small.
this. But it's that work.
It's meaty.
Mm.
It's just so small. It's too
Yeah,
much
it's
work.
not that much meat, but if you know how to do it, so I think it's a skill. Like, you gotta know what you're doing, you gotta know what you're eating, what you're cleaning.
Yeah, it's a lot of work for like.
And it teaches you a lot of patience. But you know what's crazy? It's like, this crab was in the sea, minding his own business. Minding his own business. And now he's here in my belly. Isn't that crazy how things work? Like, he's way in the ocean and now we're connected. Like, who would have thought? Sorry to this man.
It's called the cycle of life.
You know, crabs are so good. I'm a big seafood head. I eat anything out of the water. Fish, shrimps, scallops. I love a good cooked scallop. We got scallops in this, but they're not very good. Salmon. I love octopus. Gator.
Squid.
Anything.
I enjoy calamari. She's not a huge calamari fan.
I'm not, because I just feel like it's just so repetitive. There's not much flavor in calamari, but
It's a lot of cartilage.
yeah. But I'll eat it. Very alright. I've had a good crab since I've been in Jacksonville. I can't lie. Jacksonville has the best crabs in Florida.
Since you gotta take me Jax, I want to show me what that crab like is. I haven't always been a seafood head. It's just the older I've gotten, the more I've become like accustomed to it, but I've grown to love it so much.
Yeah, I feel like you're not a big seafood person.
No, but now
When I first met you, I feel like you were. You were.
But now I really enjoy it and I really appreciate it. So
You want to tell them about the story about how we met?
oh my gosh! Okay, so Ty and I.
She has probably her story, and I have my story, but she can go first.
We met the very first day of college. We met at orientation. And literally, I don't know how or why, we just introduced ourselves to each other. And from then on, we just became like best friends. We were neighbors for the longest. Our families met, and we were just cool from then on. Is that all right?
Well, so basically, we went to an art school for fashion, and there was an orientation where everybody had to go before they check into their dorms. I saw Lindsay across the room. I knew, like, she seemed like such a person with high energy. She seemed like she had an infectious spirit. She was smiling a lot. And I'm usually not the person to, like, reach out to people and be a friend to somebody because I'm an introvert and also I'm a Libra.
I'm definitely not the person. So if it wasn't for her, we wouldn't be here right now.
Right. But I really just felt like I just want to be her friend. I just want to know her name. So I went over by her, and we had some kind of icebreaker that we had to do. So that's how we introduced ourselves to each other. And I could already feel like she was kind of like whatever about me. I feel like personally. But we ended up moving on to the next step in the like introduction phase. And that's when we had to check into our dorms. And my parents were trying to convince me to move in the same dorm with her because we had just met already. So it's like, why don't you just stay with her? But she really wanted to have her own space, her own room. And the apartment next to mine basically had their own room she wanted. And I had a joint apartment. So she ended up moving to her own apartment with a roommate. That was crazy. And I moved into the apartment next door with my roommate as well. So we knew each other. We had classes together, I think, in the beginning. And we would just go to each other's apartment every now and then. And from there, we just like, I don't know, it was just a natural, organic thing. We just clicked. That's
And that's on period. And we've been inseparable ever since. Well, actually, no, that's a lie.
And
the gag is,
the real gag is,
I stopped fucking with this hoe because
you don't even know why.
I don't remember why. It was somebody test.
Yeah,
She was being a stink asshole for no reason.
Yeah, it was.
And I don't tolerate that bullshit. So I was just like, you know what? You want to be a stink asshole? Go ahead and be a stink asshole. And we stopped talking. We stopped hanging out for like a whole year.
Yeah, we didn't talk for a year over really petty, like,
honestly,
high school shit. We
super
had
childish.
this mutual friend that just, and I won't even speak on it because I know she's watching. Anyway, we just had differences. And also it was a time where we were just kind of like figuring ourselves out. And also in school and figuring out who we wanted to be friends with in school. And it was real childish. But anyways, yeah, we stopped talking for a whole year. And I remember one day, like we would see each other, but we wouldn't speak. One day,
we started trying in the elevator.
I was in my apartment building, or in our apartment building, and she was coming off the elevator. I was coming on the elevator.
Like some serious, like some real like movie type
shit.
Yeah.
And she went out of the elevator, and like right before she turned the corner, I was just like, "Wendy, I miss you."
Oh, I remember that.
Like I felt it, and I said it because I did.
And I miss her so much. She was like my only like real friend. Like honestly, like even through high school, like I've never had like a real friend because my parents are from the islands and they really care about like all you're supposed to do is really. Oh, what is crap? What the fuck is that? Oh,
no, it's just a what's it called? Those things that
no. But yeah, in high school, my parents like really didn't let me like really venture out because all they were focused about was like grades. Like you just need to make a grade so you can go to a good school. And I was like, yo, I can care less about that. So I was so rebellious against my parents, and my parents didn't let me do anything. So I wasn't really able to make like real friends in high school. So Ty was like my real like first friend, you know. So when we stopped talking, like that really like hurt me because I was like, dang, like, you know, we've been friends for so long and you were like my first friend, and now you gonna do me so dirty? You gonna leave me high bitch? So I was happy when we were able to like make amends and like become friends again.
Yeah, I know it was a slow process. Well, she ended up actually, by the graces of God, moving in with me because the building was like shifting, like they were changing people's dorms. So she actually ended up having to move into me, and that's when we really just like was like, yeah, this is why we were friends to begin with.
Yeah. So fast forward.
Excuse me.
Oh,
sorry.
Fast forward, we moved in together, and then we moved out.
The day we moved out was so crazy.
I don't even remember that day.
Literally, as we were moving stuff, she dropped her keys in the elevator shaft.
I don't even remember that.
Dig it out. It was so intense.
I don't even remember that.
And we had to move stuff, and it was also in the middle of Ultra. Ultra is like a huge music festival in Miami, so the traffic was crazy. And we were trying to move buildings, and a mess.
That's so funny. I don't remember that.
Why? I don't know. Because that was a mess. But yeah.
But look at us now.
The real city girls.
Try that spot for that hot oil.
Yeah, that's not for me.
My mouth.
Oh Lord. Yeah, today we had a boat ride for one of her homeboys. It was so fun. We spent maybe an hour on the water.
A little over an hour.
A little over an hour, but we had so much fun. It was such a nice ride. When we got to this island where we docked, there was also like other girls there.
It was a sandbar.
Yeah, sandbar. There was other girls there. There was another couple there that was actually from Saudi Arabia. That's what they told me, and they were so cool. And they were just so excited to like see us, and you know.
They were recording us, by the way.
Yeah, I know. They've never seen queens like us.
She, of course.
You know I got to. Anytime I see a bike or a motorbike, I gotta get on the back. I gotta ride.
She does not know these people from the can paint talk about, can I ride? Can I get on your jet ski? His whole wife right there. You know his wife ain't cut.
Yeah, the wife was sitting right there. I said, girl, give me your life jacket so I can get on your man's back.
She should have cussed the ass out. Right. Right. She should have done.
No, she was so sweet. She was like, okay. Stripped down, gave me her life jacket, and I jumped right on her man back. But he was also telling me that he tried to get back to the dock before it was too dark because he didn't have a boat light. Mm-hmm. He didn't have headlights. Mm-hmm. So the police would arrest him for that. The ship police.
Yeah. Which makes sense.
Water police, yeah. Uh-huh. Which is crazy. I kind of low-key wanted to see how it is to get pulled over on a boat.
Priorities.
Mm-hmm. Black captain, black passengers.
Black businesses only. Mm-hmm. Period.
Oh. Is this hitting?
It's hitting. It's not hitting for you?
No, it's not the way I wanted it to. But it's hitting, but it's not like.
Anyway.
So what's our next trip? I really want to go to New Orleans so bad.
So Mardi Gras is going on right now, but if it wasn't for my sister's wedding, that's exactly where we would be right now. Or Trinidad Carnival, because Trinidad Carnival going on right now, and it looks so lit. Mm-hmm. But again,
yeah, we wanted to do all those things, or go to all those places.
My 25th birthday is coming out.
Exciting.
A bitch ain't got no money.
This corn is sweet.
Ooh, I ain't got no corn though.
These fries are trash.
How many? You got another corn?
Oh, I don't have no corn sweet. Oh, that was scallop.
No, I can't eat no more corn. That corn be stuck in your teeth.
Yeah, because I was drunk earlier and I only had like 2.5 cups of Hennessy. I'm not a big Hennessy person, but that's all they had. I only had 2.5 cups of Hennessy and I was already feeling woozy. But I knew it was because I didn't eat.
I probably had 4 cups of Hennessy, honestly. I probably had 2 shots.
Oh man.
And I had 1 double shot for the first one. And 2 like Hennessy and lemonade. I don't know. My ass is lit and I haven't eaten all day. That's the life I live. I don't know who I think I am. I swear I be pushing it. This is the way I feel.
I know this is giving me all anxiety seeing this hair in my face. I try to push it back. It's a wig. I don't really care.
So what's the deal? Are y'all coming? Or what?
Yeah, we coming.
When?
John's handling some shit right now, and once he finishes handling his shit, which is probably within the next 30 minutes.
Oh, no. 30 minutes.
Wow.
What, you want Blackbird?
Yeah, but we need like, how long we need to get ready? We need like an hour to get ready. We're still eating. So make sure we get to the destination.
That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you've had a chance to get to know us. I'm Moody, this is Brown Ting, and if you want, you can follow us on Instagram. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.